Pick it up.
Need some help?
Whoa, it looks really cool right now. This lodge looks so weird from here.
What logs?
The lodge.
Oh.
The ski lift looks weird. Everything looks cool. I can see the whole world. I can see the house. I can see the road to Big Rock. I can see a car leaving.
Need some help? What?
Are you taking a video? Oh my.
You're gonna go straight into that tree. Put your skis a little to the left.
I can't.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
No.
Just help my daughter.
Don't look at me.
Sorry,
Oh, I
can you go
saw. Getting up there. Wow, these little kids can go through this and I can't. Shut up, you little prick. What?
I'm waiting for you.
Are you laughing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is a good video.
I swear, if anyone says one thing, I'm popping up.
Let's do this again.
What are you looking at?
All right.
Ball. Kill you. Alright, I'm good, I'm good. I'm not dead.
You're fine. All right, show me how it's done. Want to go through those?
I couldn't breathe.
Wow.
You're still taping! Get that thing out of my face.
Finish strong.
I can't breathe. I need I'm going in. Dad, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm in pain.
All right, well, go ahead. Ski down.
Now I have to sit and watch for 4 hours by myself.
It's not that. Won't be that long. Don, take a break. Let's go. Show me how to ski. Yeah. Go. Slow down. One more time?
What?
One more time?
I can't even hear. can't breathe. My body hurts. I'm wet.
One more time.
I'm freezing.
We'll take a break. Like skis? Atomic 150 and Atomic 141.